Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, July 7th, and this is my recap of the top videos of Friday. And on Friday, the pound US dollar came in number 3, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So a very nice push up, and looking at other correlated pairs, I think it's very obvious that we probably have a bottom here, and that this is actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways up of 1. This is actually ABC of 2, even though it's a lower low, and most likely this is wave 3, which we may not know if we didn't know about correlated pairs. Most likely we are still in a subdivision of wave 3. It's not respecting the 78.6, tells me that it's probably at least going to go up to the 100% Fibonacci retracement of this last push down on the daily time frame. So definitely still looking for longs at the end of pullbacks, especially if you see a nice three-way pullback and a Fibonacci bounce. It's definitely looking for more longs. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.